Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD for Monday, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and others. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD CAD in front of us. The last traded price of USD CAD is 1.2573. This is the last traded price. And if you observe the chart carefully, then we can see that this market is in downtrend right now. This is a seller's market. Okay, and as we all know, in a market condition like this, sell on rise, or whenever market goes up or tries to recover, and whenever it again goes down, okay, is the best strategy or safe strategy. It is considered as the safest strategy. So considering the present trend of the market here on the 4 hours chart, yes, you can wait for a market to go up and reverse from this trend line, which is at the top acting as the resistance, dynamic resistance in the market. So this is the first trading opportunity that you can go for it. Okay, watch the video carefully because there are some complications. Okay, I will be explaining them one by one. So in the 4 hours chart, downtrend market. So considering the trend of the market, if market goes up and reverses from this trend line, which is the dynamic resistance, you can take a sell position. That is for day trading purpose. If you are a day trader, if you want to enter today and exit by today itself, or max to max you just want to extend it by one day, then yes, this can be your strategy considering the 4 hours chart in the market. Clear? And if you are looking for a positional trade, if you are looking for a trade that will last for days and days, couple of days, couple of weeks, then what you can do is that you can switch to the weekly chart of USD CAD here, and you can see that on the weekly chart we have a support at 1.2530 level, and market has successfully taken support. Yes, this week you can see that market has formed a hammer. In the previous week also market faced selling pressure, but market recovered. Market somehow managed to sustain above this level, and this gives us the confirmation that yes, 1.2530 1.2530 is a valid support in the market, and this trade has the potential of yes of going up. Okay, and at least you can expect a movement of 200-300 pips easily on USD CAD chart. But this pattern is seen, we are observing this on a weekly time frame. So keep in mind that yes, this may take few days, it may take few weeks also to reach from here till here. Okay, so be careful with USD CAD, and if you are looking for day trading opportunity, then you can take a sell position only if it reverses. Okay, only if it reverses. But for positional trade, yes, you can take a buy position and no need to worry at the retracements and all. Okay, both the trades are contradictory. Keep in mind, for day trading purpose, you can take a sell position on the trend line. Okay, but for swing trading purpose or day trading, positional trading purpose, you can initiate a buy call here, considering the weekly chart. These two are contradictory. So at first you must understand what kind of a trader you are, then only take the trade. Okay, let's say you prefer to do scalping, you are a gold scalper, and you are taking a buy position on USD CAD and hoping to earn 100 pips, 200 pips by Monday, Tuesday, then my dear friend, you are in the wrong trend. At first analyze what kind of a trader you are, then only take the position. And USD CAD has impact of the US dollar as well as the Canadian dollar. Okay, so if you look at the Canadian dollar part, okay, and Canadian dollar has direct impact from the oil price. Canada is an oil exporting country. Oil is a big part of Canadian economy, so usually when the price of oil shoots go up, we usually see Canadian dollar going up. So keeping an eye on the mm, oil price is also very important if you trade on the Canadian dollar. So after this high, okay, after this high, market is right now witnessing some correction. There was heavy bullishness on the price of oil because of some supply issues, because there was a drone strike on the UAE. But right now they are promising that the supply will be back to normal. As a result, we are witnessing some correction on the price of oil here. So if the supply resumes, there will be further correction on the oil price, and there will be upside on USD CAD, because when Canadian dollar or the price of oil goes down, we usually see USD CAD going up. Okay, and if you look at DXY says direct correlation. When dollar goes up, USD CAD also go up. Okay, if you're finding it very difficult to understand, very complicated, then please watch the video again. Okay, this is the chart of DXY US dollar. If dollar bounces, see, dollar is also at a support here. Previously 95.5040 was the support, and still it is acting as a support now. So if dollar bounces from the support zone, then USD CAD has an upside again. Okay, but if the correction on US oil, the price of oil continues, then yes, again it has an upside. Okay, just to make it okay, let me write it down for you. I do not edit my videos, so you may find it very unprofessional. Please bear with it. Okay, I do not get time to edit my videos. Okay, see, when dollar goes up, USD CAD go up. Okay, USD CAD go up. When dollar goes down, okay, when this is the dollar, when dollar goes down, USD CAD also go down. Clear? So direct relation. Okay, and on the other hand, when the price of oil, when the price of oil go up, we see USD CAD, okay, USD CAD going down. When price of oil goes down, we see USD CAD going up. Okay, because again the correlation with the Canadian dollar, blah blah blah. Okay, I do not want to repeat and bore you again. So this is the correlation. So what I'm saying is that, okay, for the long term purpose, okay, there is an upside on USD CAD. Okay, considering the higher time frame, the weekly time frame, plus the overall scenario on the US dollar, plus the price of oil. Okay, but for short trading purpose, not day trading purpose, you can take a sell position on the black line, the trend line. That's it. That's what I'm saying. If I have made the video very complex, please extremely sorry. Okay, I'll try to simplify the video on Monday once the market opens, and once we get the direction of the USD CAD again, because Monday after the market opening we will get the overall understanding in which direction USD CAD is moving, and I'll explain you what should be a strategy. Till then, just just bear with the video. Bye bye.